Also, he's suddenly back. I know he has something planned, surely. I actually don't know. I'm not, like, hyping it up as if I do know.
Can you hear this?
But I know Mizzy tweeted out that he's going to do something with him, so I imagine there's some sort of idea here.
Can we hear it?
No. I can't
Here's
hear
what
shit.
I did, gentlemen, to usher in what is perhaps the greatest stream return of all time.
Well,
I did some thinking about the kind of people I want.
Tyler 1 getting unbanned from League was a good stream.
And I came to the conclusion that some of you have got to go. Quite simply put. Some of you have got to go. And I mean, it's not your fault necessarily. It's not really your fault if you are one of these people, but it's just something we have to do. And so
why are Mods Pepe laughing?
I had one of my computer scientist people write something up. Oh, he wrote something up. And I mean, holy shit. What he did, honestly, this will be talked about for years to come. I mean, this is, it's actually sick and twisted.
Obviously makes perfect
what is
sense.
going on right now.
I haven't seen this, by the way.
I'll show you right now.
What the fuck is this?
We made a bot to scrape every single Twitch account that had Carl Jacobs not found, was taken in it. All of them. Every single fucking one. And we've got a bot who's going to go through all of these commands.
That is so good. And you know what's crazy, chat? Is I watched last night, right? His chat was garbage. A garbage, typical Minecraft chat. It was garbage. Honey.
Live. Oh. Gentlemen, if you are part of the lucky few who will remain after this purge, I don't know what to say, gentlemen, but this is what it's all about. Get fucked! Fuck you! Fuck you! Never come back, bitch! All of you! Every single last one of you! I never want to see you ever fucking again! On this Twitch stream! This is fucking mine! And there's no way any of you are gonna come in here with these bullshit-ass usernames and try and take my show away from me! This is tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands of people, by the way, in this fucking country.
Look how many Dream Not Found usernames there are. There's like hundreds of Dream Not Found.
Like that. It feels almost freeing in a way, you know? Because a lot of people were saying, oh, this chat's going to be so bad. It's going to be such a bad chat. What are we going to do? What are we going to do, guys? Oh, this chat's going to be so cringe. Well, not... Let me tell you something, gentlemen. Not anymore. Not anymore. Were you here for the fucking purge? Oh, dear Lord. I'm hard after that. I'm at half-mast already. And I mean, I'm sure there's more to happen during this stream that'll make me even...
Dude, now if Twitch does it, if Twitch does that, now that website is unbeatable.
Were you here? Let me know. Well,
This is sand.